Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, we are going to learn how we can text somebody on TikTok account or our TikTok application very easily. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, then do make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let us get started. In this short video, we're about to simply learn how you can text people and send messages on your TikTok account from your TikTok app. So what you want to do is simply make sure to watch today's video till the end because I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first of all, you want to definitely make sure that you have actually downloaded as well as installed TikTok to your device. If not, then head over to your device's respective app store. In the search box, you're going to type in TikTok and then go ahead and download the first application which comes up on the list. After we download TikTok, what we want to do is we want to simply open our application right over here. And you want to actually make sure that you're actually logged into your account, because if you're not logged into your account, you will obviously not be able to text anybody or send messages on your TikTok. Once we are logged in, at the bottom of the screen here, you'll be able to see an option called Inbox. Now, if you are on your iOS, this option may vary from time and again depending when you are watching this video. Because of updates and so on, the inbox section might move a little further here and there. So what you want to do is you want to simply look for the option called Inbox wherever you are. Once you tap on Inbox here, it will show you a list of your friends if you do have one. Now, if you want to message somebody here, you can simply tap on this button on the top right hand side. You'll be able to see this button right over here. You can simply tap on this button and it will ask us for a new chat. Now you can simply select a profile with whom you want to chat right over here. But in order to send messages on your TikTok, at the top of the screen you'll be able to see a warning called "Messages cannot be sent since this user isn't following you." So the only way to send messages on TikTok and to text people is that you have actually followed that profile and that profile has actually followed you back as well. So if you have followed that person and then that person has not followed you back, you will not be able to message that person even if you type in a message box right over here. Even if I show you, if I type in hi and then send, it is actually not going to go. You can see the eye icon or the warning because that person isn't following you back. So just for the simple sake of this video, I'm going to go and follow myself from this other account and then make sure that I can actually message it. So I have already followed this account from the other account. Now I'm going to simply reload this application. I'm going to simply go back to the chat screen and now I'm going to tap on say hello. Now once you tap on hello, now you can see successfully that I have actually messaged that person and that person will be able to see my messages. Now if that person wants to reply, he or she can also reply. So I'm going to simply wait for the reply right over here. So as you can see that we have also already successfully received a message from this person by making sure that both of you have followed each other in return. So we hope this guide video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you have any more questions, then make sure to leave them down in the comment section. As always, thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video.